Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Honorable Chief Guest, respectable teachers and stream audience, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Samir Fazi from I-10 campus, NICON. Today, the topic of my speech is My Identity, Pakistan. Mr. President, as a bird loves his nest, a fish can't live without water. Similarly, how a man can live without his homeland? Each and every homeland has its own peculiar features, upon which its inhabitants feel proud. As Egyptians were proud upon their pyramids, the Arabians were proud upon their sacred places like Mecca and Medina. Likewise, my identity is Pakistan, and I am proud to be the citizen of that country, which is the first Islamic nuclear power in the whole world, which has the largest army in the whole world. The country which has the passionate and talented youth like you, and with the exceptional God-gifted abilities in the field of science and technology, sports, social science, arts, and other disciplines. Ladies and gentlemen, question arises, why Pakistan is my identity? The answer is, why not? Why I shouldn't be the proud of that country, whose national anthem tune rank in the top 3 tunes of the world. Mr. President, how can I forget that? When all the nation got united during the earthquake of 2005 to help their poor. Each and every person runs to save his own life, but the principal of Army Public School Peshawar laid down herself and defend her students. I feel proud to be a part of the nation that produced personalities like Major Aziz Bhatti Shaheed, Major Rashid Minhas Shaheed, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, and the young certified professional Dr. Arfa Kareem Randawa. Dear friends, Pakistan is the place where I live with pride and I have freedom. Wherever I can say my words with accurate and my ideas independently. At the last but not the least, I would like to end up my speech with a quotation. No money on earth can buy the love and affection that has been given to me by this nation. Thank you.